Delhi goes to polls on April 10th. Normally, elections in the capital are straight fights between the Congress and the BJP, but this time, Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party has made it a triangular contest in many places. My colleague Atir Khan reports on the campaigning, which was marked by a lot of acrimony. Take a look, and we're going to cut across to Atir.
Campaigning has ended for the 7 Lok Sabha seats in Delhi with a final flourish of political rallies. The campaigning by 3 main players, the BJP, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, has been marred by mutual acrimony.
Usually there's a straight fight between Congress and BJP. But this time around, there's a third major player, Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party.
In the 2004 Lok Sabha elections, the Congress won 6 of the 7 Lok Sabha seats with nearly 55% of votes. And in 2009, the Congress won all the 7 seats with about 57% of vote share. But if the results of the Delhi Assembly polls are of any indication, the Congress is in for a rude shock. This time, the capital has its share of high-profile candidates. Union Minister Kapil Sibal in Chandni Chowk, Ajay Maken in New Delhi, BJP's Meenakshi Lekhi and Dr. Harshvardhan, and Aam Aadmi Party's Rakhi Birla, to name a few. There are over 1.27 crore voters across 11,700 polling stations, more than 400 of which are critical. Security across the capital will be tighter than ever.
Now that the Delhi election campaign is over, several questions will soon be answered. Will the Modi way work, or will the Kejriwal effect click? Will Rahul Gandhi be able to contain the damage done to his party? And will his party be able to recover from the defeat in assembly elections? With camera person Arvind Kumar, Atir Khan in Delhi for Headlines Today.
Well, all the questions that Atir just raised, they will be answered May 16th when the results come out. But the polling in Delhi tomorrow, and I'd like to cut across to Atir Khan. Atir, give us the main sticking points of the Delhi election tomorrow.
Well, Preeti, I'm at the moment in New Delhi constituency, and it's a very, very significant constituency. In tongue-in-cheek, it's usually said that whoever wins New Delhi wins the country.
Yes.
So Arun Jaitley has said it once. We have a triangular contest here. Actually, we have Congress heavyweight Ajay Maken, who's eyeing a hat-trick. But then there are 2 other players in the fray. We have Meenakshi Lekhi, who's a firebrand BJP leader. Then we also have Aam Aadmi Party, Ashish Khaitan, so he cannot be written off so easily. So it's going to be very interesting. This is an elite constituency. It's a microcosm. It represents the entire country. We have elite. We have representatives also who will be voting here. This is the constituency where, the top politicians vote. So we know that in the last assembly election, though, Aam Aadmi Party had given a very good performance. It won 7 seats out of 10 assembly seats. But this time around, this is Lok Sabha elections, and we know that Ajay Maken is a Congress heavyweight. Normally, he would have, it would have been very easy for him to win this election. But since there is an anti-incumbency, it might not be so easy for him to get through in this election.